Hi guys, welcome to this quick video unboxing and quick review about this GRUNEN WOLKEN electric milk frother. This could be a good opportunity to get a cheap, good quality milk frother. The thing is, I don't know if they are going out of business. For me it looks like a little bit, so maybe that's a good opportunity to get a good quality milk frother rather cheap. It's just $7.69, something like that. Yeah, it's called GRUNEN WOLKEN. For me it sounds like Scandinavian language. It is not. For me, I was almost sure that it is like Norway, language from Norway or something like that. It is definitely not. It is a Chinese brand. It was filed from a Chinese company in, I think, Shenzhen. So don't get deceived. This is pure Chinese style, Chinese manufacturing, Chinese everything. So it has nothing to do with Nordic or something like that. So yeah, they have also this website does not work. So for me it looks like they are probably going out of business or whatever. I have no clue why they are not online. So either it's too early or too late. I mean, usually you are doing the website before you release products, so it's probably already gone, this whole thing. So anyway, has been looking good, so, and I need a new one, so I thought I'd give it a try. And so let's see if this really works. I will try this definitely with milk. So here is how this looks. It comes in different colors, and the really nice thing, it has this stand here. So we also get this thing here. Yeah, I'm not a barista, so my bad. Yeah, these are these nice sets of yeah, what you can use for coffee to make these nice shapes on your coffee when you have the foam or whatsoever, and then you put a little bit of cacao on top of that and you get these nice shapes. There are a lot, about 20 or so. That's crazy. I haven't been aware of that this thing is included. I mean, you can even use that, of course, for baking things, like when you make, I don't know, cupcakes, or yeah, there is a lot. So here we have the stand. Yeah, it's not cheap. It's quite good quality actually, this stand. So here you have the frother. It's not super heavy, but it seems to be okay. I have to find out how to replace the battery. Probably I have to release this thing here and then pull. Yeah, and it needs 2 batteries which are not included. I think it will need double A batteries. So these are not new batteries, but they are still in the green. I've tested them. They should be definitely good. So here we get an indication how to, or where to put the plus and the minus. So hope I'm correct here. So let's see. Yeah, that's maybe not the most expensive thing. I mean, it works, but I've seen better ones. Yeah, so doesn't look like a $50 product. Yeah, it's sometimes difficult to put this. Yeah, maybe it's better, but still there's a little bit of a gap. Yeah, anyway, so let's see. This is pretty stable. Yeah, more stable than things which I have seen. Not super stable, but decent. So let's see. Yeah, it moves. There is you have to press and it's straight. The good thing is more or less it's straight. It does not move a lot. It's moving a little bit around, but not too much, which is important if you need high speed. If it's not perfectly centered, you don't get enough speed. I've seen this a lot. When they are not fully straight centered, you don't get enough speed. It costs a lot of speed when it's not fully centered. So this is really good. It is fully centered and you can see really high speed. So I'm going to try that now. Okay, I brought some hot milk now. I have measured the temperature. I mean, I made it in the microwave oven. I heated up to 66 degrees Celsius, which is definitely above the minimum range which you should use to froth milk. And now I'm doing that. Yeah, so I'm doing it here on this side, of course. So let's see. Yeah, it does quite a lot, as you can see. It was even almost too much milk. Okay, you can see now the glass is full. So it was half full, now it is full. I mean, with the milk foam. Yeah, I'll bring down the camera a little bit, hope you can see it better. Unfortunately, I didn't think about that earlier. But now we are in a better position now, and you can see, I mean, the glass was half full only, and now it is full. And you can see, that's nice. I mean, that's a lot of foam. Yeah, we bring it even to more than a top, or we would probably. And yeah, that's really nice milk foam. Yeah, I mean, depending on the milk, of course, there are probably better milks than this one, but still nice foam. Yeah, success, I would say, definitely no problem with that. Yeah, is it the most expensive milk frother? Yeah, no, actually, I guess not. You can see that here. It always tends to go, I mean, the battery cover, yeah, I mean, yeah, I think when you have it once like this, then it's better. Yeah, I think I had just not enough pushed it in, so now I think it's safe. But it's for sure, it's not the most expensive thing, but it's not the cheaper thing. So you, I would say, yeah, you're good to go to buy it. $7.50. We cannot complain about that. Why not to buy? Definitely. Yeah, this is already a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you that I left it for about 5 or 10 minutes like this, and then I started to eat the milk foam, which is one of my favorite things, and I noticed that the milk foam is super stable. I don't know why, but it's much more stable than it was at the beginning. You can see that. So I hope you can see that. There's a lot, and it's super stable. And I don't know, maybe as a tip, yeah, don't use it right away, just wait a little bit if you can. Yeah, this is much more stable. I mean, it looks like that lasts forever. I can even hold like the spoon to the side and it doesn't go down. You can see how stable that is. This is crazy. It does not even drop like this. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. So definitely seems to work really nicely as long as you have the right temperature. I mean, this is cheap Walmart milk. Of course, you have to use whole milk. I think it doesn't really work with low-fat milk, and I heated it up to, again, about 65 degrees Celsius, which is about 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and so it works really well for me. I mean, I haven't done this before. It's my first thing, my first attempt, and it worked out really good. I'm really happy with that. Yeah, I would say definitely a huge success for me. I don't know if this is a really rare situation, but I mean the whole foam here, which I had, was almost in this shape. Just the first spoon, which I was showing to you, was really soft, really weak. Now everything is super stable. So for me, works good, looks good. We can put it back here and doesn't need a lot of space. Of course, we have to clean it first. Usually I'm doing it afterwards, but yeah, I'm happy with that at the moment. I think not a bad buy, and we'll put down the link to this Amazon listing into the description so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about your things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.